Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Lindy Alvarez. I'm single.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Lindy. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, Sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Must be honest, trustworthy, responsible,
So why do you want to work in Singapore?
and be able to help my family.
So can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of children?
Give them food and medicine and treat them as a family.
What if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I will say sorry and I promise I will not do it again.
Okay, Miss Lindy, what is your last message or promise to your future employer?
I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my 2 years of contract.
Thank you, Miss Lindy, and hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.